To get the most out of your Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface, at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill, lift the tank and remove the cap by turning counterclockwise. Fill the water tank with cool water, secure the cap, and place it back on the base. Make sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. To use with Vicks VapoSteam, add 1 tablespoon of the inhalant to the medicine cup. To use Vicks VapoPads, open the scent pad door and insert the VapoPad. Up to 2 pads can be inserted. Then, shut the door. Turn the power knob to the high or low setting and wait 3 to 4 minutes for visible mist to appear. When your humidifier is out of water, the reset light will illuminate. To reset, turn the humidifier off, refill the water tank, and place it back on the base. Wait 5 minutes, then turn the humidifier back on. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.